The most important thing that you could possibly learn right now to make life work for longevity and anti-aging, you're going to get it. You're going to get it right now. Look, we want a path. We want to make it easy, fun, exciting. We want it to work. I'm going to teach you how to own your own age, how to wear your age, how to be a part of you. We're going to activate the reticular activating system, the RAS for short. How are we going to do this? It's really quite simple. 5 steps. First, put pen to paper. Write down the things that you want to create in regard to anti-aging. The people, the situation, the places, how you want to look, how you want to feel, the age that you want to be. You want to own it. Next thing you want to do is write down the time for which you want it to happen as soon as possible. You want to get this done within the next 3 days. You want to get on, do it as quickly as possible. Step 2, you want to visualize this. You want to own it. You want to see it. You want to feel it. You want to have it. Visualize this right now. Do it with passion. Third thing is you have a mantra. Mantra is another word for affirmation, but it doesn't have to be that way. It can be a song. It can be something that inspires you, a saying. Fourth thing is gratitude. Be grateful for the things that you have at this moment. 3 things here in the next 30 seconds. Feel it. Own those things. Be grateful that you have them. Be grateful that you're watching this as we speak. All right. 5th thing is most important. You got to take action. You got to get that cell phone out. You got to start making some phone calls. Make a list. Start calling. Start doing things. Faith that works is meaningless. You got to go out there and do something. Make it happen. It's really, really easy. Just got to do it. Okay. A tip here. 2 tips. One is you got to have passion. You got to really, really want this to happen. You got to make this happen. Next thing is do this just before you go to bed at night. Feel it. Put heart into it. Put it just before you go to sleep. Might want to chant a mantra at the same time. So, the final thing I want you to do is I want you to join my tribe. Down below, hook onto it, go there. There'll be a lot more with longevity and anti-aging, but you're going to find the rest of the story with regard to what we're talking about at this moment. So I want to thank you for joining me. Enjoy it, do it, be good, be healthy, be young. You can do it. This is so easy. Okay? Thanks.